Hello, my name is Nene Romeo, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a fake background. If you're wondering, this is not my real background. Now, this is my real background. It shocked you? This is a fake background. Okay? If you're a content creator like me and you've been having difficulty creating content because your background is not so good, I'm here to tell you worry no more, because before the end of this video, you know how to change your background to look like mine. I've been having difficulty to creating content because I want my content to be very nice and I want the background to come out looking banging, to look very classy and good. Okay, but I've not been able to put my finger into I've not been able to create a nice background for myself. But with this, you can create a nice background for yourself, just like me, and post your content. You don't have to worry about, oh, I don't have a nice background, I can't post content, I can't create content. With this fake background, you can create as much content as you want, change your background, and then use it, and then post it. Okay, now there are steps you need to take before you create this fake background. There are steps you need to take before achieving this nice looking background. The first step is good lighting. You can't create a video in the dark or without good lighting. Now you can decide to use the natural light or artificial light. Natural light being your lightning from sunlight or daylight. Okay, or you can use the artificial light, which is videography light. For me, I did my own construction of lightning construction, which is this. You can decide to improvise like me and do your own construction, or you can go for the artificial lighting. It's your choice. The second is a tripod stand. So you don't have a shaky video or shaky content, so your video will be stable. Without tripod, your video will not be stable. Does not matter if you're using a camera or you're using, for me, I'm using my phone to record this video. Okay, you still need a tripod stand. The third is a plain background. You need a plain background to create this nice looking background. Okay, for instance, my background is white background, and I'm putting on a purple dress. I can decide to put on a black colored clothing. Okay, now take this into consideration. Take notes that whatever color your background is, whatever you're wearing should not be same as the color of your background. For instance, the color of my background presently is white color, and I'm putting on a purple dress. If your background color is what's it called, yellow, do not put on a yellow dress. Okay, let the color of the background be different from the color of the clothes you're putting on, so your video will come out very nice. Without that, your video is not going to come out nice. Okay, so now I'm here to tell you that whatever what's stopping you, what's acting as a deterrent from you creating your video is a video background. I'm here to tell you that worry no more. After learning this, you can be able to create a nice looking video background for yourself wherever you are. It does not matter where you are. Okay, you can decide to stay in your room and create your content and then change your video background and use it. Okay, so that should not be an hindrance for you from creating nice content. Okay, now come with me as I show you how I achieved this beautiful looking background.
If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please tap on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification button, which is the bell button, so you'll be notified whenever I create nice educative content like this. Also like this video to encourage me to create more videos. Thank you. To create this fake background, we're going to be using Freepik, Leonardo.ai, and Capcut. These are completely free websites and app, so you don't need to pay for pro version, or you don't need to pay money to access these features. Okay, it's totally free, and you're going to create this with your smartphone, with your phone. You don't need a laptop or a personal computer to create this. You can use your phone to create this. It's very easy. Now go to your Google Chrome and type freepik.com. Okay, so go to freepik.com. We're here. You can type in any prompts you want, any background you want. For instance, maybe you want a background, a studio background. You can input that. You can type in that prompt. Let's say I want a studio room or a room studio. Okay, studio room, and send. Let's see what the images it will generate for us. These are the images. You can pick from any one you want. Okay, you can pick from any you want. Let's say a study room. All right, let's see the images it will generate for us. Now these are beautiful images. You can choose from any image you want. You can choose any particular image you want and download. For instance, this is beautiful. Let's say I want to use this. This is the download button. Once I click on the download button, it will download. But I've already downloaded the image, so I'm not going to download it again. Okay, so you can just click on any image you want and download it. This is the image you're going to use to create your fake video background. Before coming here to download this image, ensure you've already recorded your video. You've already created your video on a plain background. That the video you want to change to this background, you've already pre-recorded it. Okay, let me show you the function of Leonardo.ai. That's another platform, another website to generate image to change your video background. This is Leonardo.ai. You can create an account with it. Okay, for me, I've already created an account. It's for generating fake, it's of generating nice AI images. Okay, let's say start using Leonardo.ai. Now this is it. You're going to click on image generation. Where you get to Leonardo.ai, image generation. Now we're here. You're going to include prompts, the prompts that this AI is going to follow to generate the particular image or picture you want. Now I have 134 credits. I think every day you have you're entitled to 140 credits or coins to create any image of your choice. Okay, let's say there's already a prompt. I've included a prompt already, a nice looking white background with bookshelf. Remember, we're doing this with our smartphone. You add a nice looking white background with bookshelf. That's my prompt. You can add any prompt you want the AI to generate, or the particular image you want the AI to generate for you. So let's click on generate. This is what I want the AI to generate for me. Okay, that's the prompt. It's taking time to generate. I want it to generate a nice looking white background with bookshelf, so I can use it to change my video background. Wow, this is beautiful. This is what it has generated. You can choose from any of these images, okay, to change your video background with. These are all beautiful images you can change from. Okay, this is nice. These are lovely, very lovely. Okay, so you can just click on it. Say click on it, and this is the download button. You click on download image. Okay, and your image, you see it has downloaded. Okay, this is it. So you can either use free pick or use Leonardo.ai, but for this video I am using free pick. So now that we've gotten our image, let's head over to Capcut to create our video. You're going to click on new project, because this is a new project you want to make, you want to create, you want to change the background. So you click on new project. Okay, so you go to photos and choose the image you want your background to be, the background you want your video to be. This is the background, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on add. Okay, here our image has been added. Now this is the image, this is your Capcut, and this is the image. Okay, now you're going to click on the image here. You're going to click here, and you're going to drag this down, so it's going to cover all aspects of your video, all the length of your video. Okay, now that we've achieved that, we're going to click on overlay. To add a video, to change the video background, you're going to click on overlay down below here. It says overlay. You're going to click on add overlay. So what this means is you should add your video. So we're going to go to videos and we're going to add the particular video we want to change the background, which is that. We're going to click on add. Our video has been added. You see how it looks. You see what it looks like. It's not looking so nice, okay? Not looking so good. We're going to just use your finger to adjust it, okay, if you want, but that's not necessary. Now that we've added our video, the next thing to do is to go and remove our background, okay? So to remove our background, we are going to click on cutout to remove this particular background and use the fake background. So click on cutout, click on remove background, okay? You can see the background has been removed, okay? Now this is it. You can decide to adjust as you like. You can decide to adjust by pinching it, using your finger to pinch the background in and out, zoom in and out. This is it. It's as easy as that. I'm dragging it towards this place, okay? It's as easy as that. As easy as that. I'm adjusting it. So this is how to change your background, okay? You can take it to the middle like I'm doing, okay? This is it. How to change your...
Hello, my name is Leonardo.ai, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a fake background. If you're wondering, this is not my real background.
Now you see we've changed our video background. It's as easy as that. Now the background is very visible, okay? We're going to make the background a bit blurry, so our image will be more visible and the background will be a bit blurry. To do this, you're going to go to effects and you're going to go to video effects, okay? Then you scroll down to blur. This is blur. Click on blur.
Hello, my name is Leonardo.ai.
The image has been blurred. Now this blurry image is too much. The blur is too much. We're going to adjust it. So you click on adjust and you drag to the level you want. You drag to the level you want. For me, 11, 10 is okay. So
my name is Leonardo.ai.
Okay, now to enable the blur to be all over the entire video, to get to the entire video, you're going to click on this blur and drag it down to the end of the video. Down to the end of the video. So as you can see, it's quite easy to change your video background. Now you can do this with any image or any picture you want. We used FreePic, Leonardo.ai and Capcut. It's that easy. FreePic is where you generate your image, or you use Leonardo.ai. For me, I used FreePic. Or you use Leonardo.ai to generate your image. Then you head over to Capcut to do exactly what I just did here. Okay, it's that easy.
Hello, my name is Leonardo.ai, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a fake background. If you're wondering...
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. See you next time.